So, my cousin Eddie just ordered Domino's Pizza. Are you guys ready to see it? I've been drinking Crown Royal all night. I think I'll pour a shot before I have my first slice. Just a little baby shot because I don't want to get too tipsy or too full, so I want to enjoy the pizza. So, hello. Let's have a gander. What's inside? It's still with Gorilla Glue? Oh, here it is. Just look at that. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so divine. Shit. Oh. Domino's has really stepped their game up. The last time I had just cheese. This time I got cheese and sausage. See it? Good. And for it to be delivered, it's still fresh. Domino's, y'all on y'all shit. Not only do y'all serve it fresh in the store, deliver it hot and ready. Y'all should be Little Caesar slogan, hot and ready. Hot and ready delivery, hot and ready in the store. It's hot and ready. I don't eat the crust, sorry. Go for the second slice. They could have put a little bit more sausage on. I got 2 pieces of sausage on this one, and I love sausage. Love sausage. Love it with a passion. I sure do. Domino's, y'all. Just look at that. Domino's is on their shit. I don't know if I get kids watching, so I don't want to say the S word, but Domino's, y'all on y'all SHIT. Oh! God. Bye-bye, Chris. I'm gonna eat this one. It's got the most cheese on it. This slice right here, it's not as much cheese on it. We'll say that for last. I'll let my cousin, she sleeps, she's gonna let her eat in the morning. Look, see my hands? That's just like the seasoning, bread and crusted stations or whatever it is. Just all over. It's This slice is too mom's gonna skip this one. Go right for the gusto. Who knew? You eat almost a half a pizza in less than 5 minutes. I'm at 4:22. I am on my 4th slice. And it's so hot.
Good.
So hot and fresh. Domino's. Do y'all know how good y'all are? I don't know what y'all did over the past few years, but it's working, baby. Keep doing it. Keep doing what you're doing, Domino's. It's great. I'm loving it. I'm sure a lot of other people are loving it. Just don't want to record it because they just want to eat it. But I want y'all to know, Domino's, I enjoy your pizza. Hey, it's delicious. Ooh, oh, that thing was kind of hot. Woo. Let's slow down, man. Woo. And mind you, this is delivery. It's not DiGiorno. It's delivery Domino's, and it's still hot. Hey, baby. Ooh. Oh my God. No crust for me. I don't want to keep you guys waiting too much longer. We're gonna eat this last slice. We're gonna throw extra sauce. I took the sausage off another piece of pizza, so I can have an extra slice on my. Whoop, she tried to fall off. Bitch, get back here! I'm not going anywhere. How dare you? Get back on my pizza! You know what? You try to fall off. I'm gonna eat you. Look, I'm gonna eat this one first. See that pepperoni? I mean that sausage. Try to fall off. Goodbye. He gets it first. He's gone. It's so succulent and flavorful. It's like grandma's sausage, and she cook it in a hot Sunday morning, and she just throw it on the pizza, put it in the oven in Italy. Baby, I can't wait to try some other pizzas. But Domino's, I love Domino's. A lot of people slip on Domino's. Everybody like Pizza Hut and Papa John. Bitch, Domino's is the answer. Hello, I'm here. I see you, Domino's. Damn, I went through 5 slices already. Just to make my fans proud, the 2 I have, I'm gonna eat 1 more slice. I wish I had some sides so I could see me eat some sides, but I don't. My cousin's up. She smells food. Woo! Hallelujah! I have eaten everything except 2 slices. It kind of like I got a whole half left. That's all bread. I ate the whole pizza except 2 slices. There you go. See it? I'm gonna save that for my daughter. Pretty sure she's hungry. She's been eating cereal all day. So, again, I'm gonna cheers before I turn out, and turn down. Go to bed. Little crown. Look, hey, crown. Cheers. Woo! That's some good shit. Hope you enjoyed my second video of eating pizza. I'm gonna start eating more foods and recording it because look, cheese on my lip. I'm gonna start recording more videos because one thing I'm a foodie, and if it's nothing I like more than food, I don't think I like anything more than food outside of my child. I don't. My food is second. My child is first, and then food. I love food. I can eat food all day and enjoy it. The only thing I hate about food is you get fat. Hence the stomach. But I really do enjoy it, and I just want people to just see me enjoy it. It's I guess it's just not as fun when you eat it alone. Nothing's better than eating food with friends. Our family. My cousin just ate him a whole box of pizza too. So, see you later, YouTube fans, and I guess I got YouTube fans. I only got 2 people subscribed to me right now, but I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna make more videos, and y'all gonna see me start eating all kind of good shit. I think I'm gonna have folks sending me food for free. Cause really, I really love food. Like, I love it. And if it's good, I'm gonna tell you if it's good. It's a lot of food I don't eat. I'm a real picky person. I ain't want to say the B word. Cause I'm trying to refrain from that. Ever since I had a child, I don't say the B word. But I'm trying to, I do love food. And guys, I hope you enjoyed my little foodie video. I'm signing out from my hotel room. Good night.